Welcome to Flåm, a charming village in Norway's Orlen fjord. Today we are embarking on an incredible journey from Flåm to Myrdal on the world-class Flåm Railway, also called Flåmsbana, and then we will zipline and bike on our way back. So let's dive into this adventure. Stick around until the end for my personal tips and tricks. You won't want to miss them. The Flåm Railway is one of the steepest trains of the world with a gradient of 5.5%. This 20-kilometer line connects the station of Myrdal to Flåm through stunning landscapes. We start our journey at Flåm station. A quick tip: try to get to the platform 20 to 30 minutes before departure to secure the best seats. And for the best views, sit on the right side when traveling uphill from Flåm to Myrdal. As we ascend, you will see breathtaking views of the Flåmsdalen Valley, waterfalls, and charming villages. The train passes through 20 tunnels and over one bridge, making it a marvel of engineering. The train stops at this point for about 5 minutes, as this is the only junction where train coming from the opposite side can pass by. One of the highlights of the journey is a stop at the magnificent Kjosfossen Waterfall. The train halts here for about 10 minutes, allowing everyone to step out and take photos. But that's not all, there is a special treat in store. As you marvel at the thundering waterfall, a mysterious woman in red dress known as the Huldra appears and dances to the traditional Norwegian music. This enchanting performance is brought to life by students from the Norwegian ballet school, adding a magical touch to the experience. The zipline point is located just 2 to 3 minutes before reaching Myrdal station. So we will be getting off the train at this spot right before Myrdal. From this point, we take an exhilarating zipline ride halfway down the mountain. This is the longest zipline in Scandinavia, offering an adrenaline rush and stunning aerial views of the valley. At one point on the zipline, you will hit speeds of up to 100 km per hour. My tip, keep your glasses on to protect your eyes from the wind. After the zipline, we switch to bikes for the rest of the journey back to Flåm. The ride is mostly downhill, making it accessible even for beginners. Along the way, we pass by lush landscapes, rivers, and more waterfalls. Here are some tips for your own Flåm adventure. The Flåm Railway is extremely popular, so book your tickets as early as possible, especially during peak season. Best time to visit is summer as it offers the best weather and extended opening hours, but autumn provides stunning foliage. Sit on the right side of the train when traveling uphill for the best views. If you are doing a round trip, switch sides on the return journey. Some windows on the train open, perfect for taking photos without reflections. However, keep in mind to close them in tunnels and when the train from the opposite direction pass by. Wear a rain jacket at the Kjosfossen Waterfall viewing platform and protect your camera from the waterfall spray. At the zipline, keep your glasses on to protect your eyes from the wind. Please watch out for sharp turns and curves while biking downhill and avoid braking hard as it can cause serious accidents. Our adventure ends back in Flåm, but the memories will last a lifetime. Whether you are a thrill seeker or a nature lover, this journey offers something for everyone. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels.